Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go. All controls located at the top of your speaker, and right here we have it. Let's get started with the power button. You can turn on and turn off your speaker by using this button. To turn on your speaker you need to press one time at this button, and to turn off it you need to press and hold this button for at least 3 seconds. Next one, we have Bluetooth mode. We can enter to prank mode by using this mode. You just press one time at this button and you will enter to prank mode manually. You can also enter or exit a TVS mode by press and hold this power button for at least 2 seconds. Next we have volume control button, so it's volume down button. Right here it have a minus icon, and also we have volume up button what have a plus icon. If you press one time at the volume up button, you will increase the volume. You can also press and hold, and as you can see at this widget we increase the volume. To lower the volume, press at the volume down button or press and hold, it also work. Next one we have play pause button, and let me play some song. So with this button you can play or pause the song if you press one time, and as you can see I just pause it, press again, and I play a song. You can play next track by pressing 2 times at the play pause button, 1, 2, here we go, and you can press 3 times and you will play previous track, 1, 2, 3, and it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!